This is HTC Merge Loudspeaker Repair Guide. The first step will be to remove the back cover. From there we can remove the battery, SIM card, and memory card. Now we remove the 5 T5 Torx screws as shown in the video. Now remove the 2 small Phillips screws as shown in the video. With all the screws removed, you can now remove the back cover and back housing. Use a safe open pry tool and pry along the outside edges, releasing the clips, holding the back housing in place. With the back housing removed, we now have full access to the loudspeaker. The loudspeaker will be held in place with adhesive. We suggest using a small flathead screwdriver or a safe open pry tool to carefully pry it out of the housing. The front of the speaker has adhesive, the back has the contacts. To replace the speaker, simply apply new adhesive if necessary and press it firmly into the housing.